What's up, music producers? In this video, we want to walk through how to EQ out white noise from your mixes. Dealing with unwanted hissing, rushing or static sounds can be so frustrating, but with the right EQ techniques, you can clean things up. So what exactly is white noise? It's a type of noise with all audible frequencies at equal intensity. It has a constant shush or hissing sound without a distinct pitch or tone. White noise can come from mics, audio interfaces, instruments and more. To EQ it out, first solo your tracks to isolate where the noise is coming from. Listen closely to pinpoint the problematic sounds. Next, use a spectrum analyzer plugin to see the frequency content and where the noise is concentrated. Make notes on the key areas. Apply a high-pass filter to clean up low-end rumble. Set the cutoff where the sound retains its character. Do the same with a low-pass filter for the highs. For specific frequency bands, use a dynamic EQ. Set the bands to target the problem areas. Dial in the settings until just the noise triggers compression. Noise reduction plugins are amazing too. They analyze a noise profile, so the plugin knows what to reduce. Isotope RX is top-notch for this. Notch filters are surgical. You can remove a tiny band of noise without damaging the original audio. Use them sparingly though. After EQing, assess the overall frequency balance. Make sure things still sound natural in the mix. Listen critically and keep fine-tuning. When you think you've removed enough noise, test the mix on different speakers like studio monitors, headphones or car systems. Make any final tweaks. Patience is key in the battle against white noise. With the right EQ moves, you can clean up any problematic tracks and get back to mixing. It's also smart to capture noise profiles during recording sessions. That way you have a custom profile to feed into noise reduction plugins later. Consider using broadband absorption panels or isolation booths during tracking to prevent noise in the first place. An ounce of prevention is worth a pound of cure. Let us know if you have any other favorite noise removal tips and tricks. Alright, that covers an extended guide on EQing out white noise. See you on the next one.